Yale in August announced a few new products this year at CES. We're going to go ahead and check them out. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and we're going to start off with this new Assure lock that has August inside. It is the Yale Assure lever lock, and this is the first and only HomeKit lever lock out there on the market. There is no keyhole, so you do need to use either the keypad or HomeKit or August to open this thing up. And if you get to the point where it's completely dead, you did not add in new batteries, charge it up, then you can still use these two contact points on the front, where you simply hold up a 9-volt battery to it, and it'll give it enough power to turn on and get you in. To activate it, you press on that Yale logo towards the top and enter in your passcode. Once you've entered in your code, you can go ahead and hit that check button, and it'll let you in. Flashes vertically if wrong, and horizontally if correct. The way they do it this way is because you can then create a passcode that is any number of characters long, and someone can't just guess your code. And by not keeping a keyhole on the front, removes the risk of bumping it or for someone being able to pick it and get in that way. Makes it even more secure. On the back of this thing, it opens up and you can see where the batteries are to replace those or to charge those if you're using rechargeable ones. And this module up here is really cool. You can grab an August one and connect it by August 1, or you can grab a basic HomeKit module or a Z-Wave or a Zigbee module and just swap those out. So you can buy the basic lock and then upgrade it with kits like this to add additional functionality. If you have the August kit, it'll add HomeKit, or you can go a little bit cheaper and get the basic HomeKit module, or maybe a Z-Wave or Zigbee one and work with other platforms like the new Works with Arlo program and can work with the new Arlo cameras. This is what those little cartridges look like. You can see this one's the August one, and it has that HomeKit code. Don't worry, a temporary fake HomeKit code. They're printed on the back. Go ahead and swap it out in the lock itself, and you're all up and going. Everything that you can do with an August lock, you can do with this new lever lock. That kit comes with both that little module and the August Connect for Wi-Fi connectivity. What's awesome about a lever lock is there's all those different rooms in your house that just may not work with other smart locks. Be it something inside that's kind of protecting like a wine cellar or a basement, or maybe it's outside to your garage where you don't have a deadbolt, but it would be really great to make sure everything is kept safe. So that's where a lock like this comes into play, either using the keypad, using a cheaper one that actually has like number pad on it that are like little rubbery buttons. And then we have all these new locks that are a partnership with M-Tech. These absolutely beautiful locks all have that August connectivity inside, just like the others. They work with HomeKit, but they're reaching for that higher end market. So you have the Yale Assure, which is great, but if you're looking for someone who doesn't want to compromise, they want the best lock, the best one they can find, that's what these ones are. And that's something that HomeKit has been missing. There hasn't been that super high end market, and those people had to kind of compromise, go down to maybe an August or a Yale lock, but now they don't have to. They have all these really nice options. So which one do you guys like? Are you going to check out the Assure? Make sure to let us know down below in the comments.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.